Hello gorgeous, welcome to Art for Me. Here I share my garden with you, different herbs and how I use them, food I make, easy and simple recipes, and how I'm training my puppy CupCake. If you find something that is hot for you, use it, share it and enjoy it. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Hello and welcome to my channel, Art for Me. My name is Ernestine and I share what I do with you and hope there's something that's truly hot for you. Right there, the plants, the silver grey colour, those are lavenders. Cotton lavenders. They grow easy, high, and are extremely hardy and have so many uses. From tea to foot spas to bath salts to scented salts for your food and salty dishes to give it an extraordinary taste, something fresh and something new. But most of all, you can eat it with rice, cook it as a dish similar to spinach, but it's got a taste between spinach and green beans, and are so easy to grow from cuttings, and that is what I'm going to show you next. Lavenders are great for your garden, and next to the lavenders are sage, and they grow together happy, great companions, bringing bees and butterflies to your garden. The cotton lavender in my part of the world does not flower often, but you can continuously pick it, winter, summer, even through droughts. These plants just continue to be a pleasure that you can enjoy and eat, drink, clears your throat, clears your stomach, deworms cats and dogs. You can truly use it, but research for yourself. Best of all, best research is to try it out, plant it and use it. Here I've got some cuttings. They've been standing there for about 2 weeks at my back door on 2 tires where a plant is growing, and they are shaded. And if you keep them in a shady, cool place, you can even, I don't know about places where it snows, but here it does not snow, you can still make cuttings during winter ready to plant out in the new season, in the new growing season. And they are strong. The only thing about these plants is that you mustn't touch their roots. Once you touch their roots, they die for some reason or other. I want to show you how I choose my cutting. Lots of new growth, a little foot. There we go. See it from the top. All beautiful. I want you to really have a good look at the leaves. They are different from other lavenders. There are more than 150 types of lavender, and this smell of this lavender is like Vicks or Zambak. What I do next is I strip the leaves with my fingernails and open up a piece of take off some skin from the plant. You are welcome to dip it in honey, growing powder, aloe vera, or cinnamon, but I just stick them in like that if I don't have any of those available, and there you go, they start growing. And keep them moist, keep them in a cool place. When you too much sun, they will not make it as new little plants for you to enjoy. But once they're strong, they can take full sun. They make it in terrible droughts. They just make things happen and have so many uses. And the more you use this plant, the more uses you discover. You may slip and you may slide. Let your smile be your inner guide.